In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Steam Recaptcha problem in just 5 minutes. If you've been experiencing trouble with Recaptcha while using Steam, this guide is just for you. We'll walk you through a few simple steps to get you up and running smoothly again. Let's dive right in and sort this out together. Start by opening your Windows browser. This is your starting point for addressing the issue. It's essential to ensure your browser is up to date, as outdated versions can sometimes interfere with functionalities like Steam's Recaptcha. Once your browser is up and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll notice 3 dots lined up vertically. This is often referred to as the browser's settings menu. Go ahead and click on these 3 dots to expand the menu. After you've opened the menu, look for an option that says Settings. Clicking on this will take you to another screen where you can adjust a variety of browser settings. This is where we'll make the tweaks needed to resolve the Recaptcha issue. Within the settings, find the section labeled Privacy and Security. This area controls features related to how your browser handles sensitive information like browsing history, cookies, and site data, which are crucial for a seamless browsing experience. Now, within the Privacy and Security section, locate the option for third-party cookies. Many browsers have stringent default settings that may restrict third-party cookies, which can inadvertently cause issues with services like Steam that may require them to function correctly. What you want to do is ensure that third-party cookies are allowed. So, click on third-party cookies and then check the setting to allow them. This adjustment enables your browser to handle interactions that are necessary for the Recaptcha to work properly, among other things. Finally, return to your initial task on Steam. With these third-party cookie settings adjusted, you should now find that the Recaptcha problem has been resolved. By allowing third-party cookies, you've ensured your browser and Steam can communicate effectively, letting you focus on enjoying your gaming experience without further interruption. Just to recap, remember that these changes can be reversed at any time by following the same steps. It's perfectly fine to re-enable more restrictive settings once your immediate task is completed, especially if you have privacy concerns. However, be mindful that doing so may bring the Recaptcha issue back, so balance your needs accordingly. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.